Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to download a large file from Google Drive in 2025. Whether you're a student grabbing a massive project file or a professional dealing with huge datasets, this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account on the Google Drive website. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, navigate to the file you want to download. For large files, Google Drive has some smart features to handle them without overwhelming your device. Step 1. Locate your file in your drive. If it's shared with you, check the Shared with Me section. Right-click on the file and select Download. But wait, if the file is really big, say over a few gigabytes, you might hit some limitations, like download quotas or browser issues. That's where a pro tip comes in. Use the Add to My Drive option first if it's shared, then download from there. Next, if you're dealing with an extremely large file, consider using the Google Drive desktop app. Download and install it from the Google website. It's free and works seamlessly on Windows, Mac, or even Linux. Once installed, open the app, find your file, and hit download. This bypasses web browser restrictions and lets you manage large transfers more efficiently. One more thing. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. If the download pauses, just resume it from where it left off. And remember, for files over 2 gigabytes, you might need to zip them or split them in advance, but Google Drive usually handles it well. There you have it. Downloading large files from Google Drive doesn't have to be a headache. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set for 2025 and beyond. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.